Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to enable the on-screen keyboard on your Windows computer. Whether you have a touchscreen device or need an alternative input method, the on-screen keyboard can be really useful. So let's get started. To begin, simply click on the Windows search bar located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Type in on-screen keyboard and click on the relevant search result to open the on-screen keyboard. Once the on-screen keyboard is open, you can start using it right away. However, if you want it to appear automatically when you sign in, all you have to do is to go to Ease of Access, and then click the relevant search results. So let's close it. And then scroll down here and select Keyboard. All you have to do now is to toggle on the Use the on-screen keyboard option. Simply click on the keys with your mouse or tap them if you have a touchscreen device. It's a great tool for those who have difficulty typing or need an extra keyboard option. And that's it! You now know how to enable and use the on-screen keyboard on your Windows computer, whether it's for accessibility reasons or convenience. This feature can really come in handy. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope this tutorial was helpful in enabling the on-screen keyboard. Remember, technology is meant to make our lives easier, so don't hesitate to explore all the features available for you. Once again, thank you for watching how to enable the on-screen keyboard on Windows. See you on my next video and stay curious and keep learning.